What's going on, guys? Welcome back to A&B Variety TV. If you're seeing this video, we're probably already on our trip. We're probably already on our trip on the Carnival Panorama. This is an old one, guys. We are finally headed to the Carnival Panorama. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday before embarkation day. We are anticipating our results from our COVID testing because it requires that we do 72 hours before that we do a negative COVID test. And we are getting ready to find out if this trip is going to happen. So we're super excited. We have everything ready to go. We're kind of in that packing mode right now. So check this out. All of our stuff is here. We did our wash, so we have all our clean clothes we're gonna bring, and all of our knickknacks. So come join me as we get into packing here as well. So I'm gonna get to packing. You guys can kind of see what I'm gonna put together. I'm excited, guys. We've had to rebook this 5 times finally to get on this damn panorama. We've been totally anticipating this panorama trip since March of 2020, guys. Literally, lockdown was March 19th, and that our trip was supposed to be that Saturday. Of course it gets canceled. Of course it gets canceled, guys. So March 2020 to September 11, 2021. We're excited. Hope you guys can join this journey. By the time you see this, we'll be on our trip headed down there. I'm so excited. See you guys in a bit. Watch me pack. Hey guys, we're back. So we are starting to pack here. So check this out. Well, we're almost done. And I didn't get to film it while we were actually doing it, but I wanted to kind of show you what we have here. We have our bags. This is our bag here. Look at, we have our items that are in there. And then this is our little hand carry, and you get to bring a bottle of wine, which I put in this little thing. And we get to bring a 12 pack, and I got the Coke Zero. Shout out to Mr. Marcos Eats for Coke Zero. And I have my gimbal in here that I still need to learn on the way as we go to Long Beach. And of course I have my hat. What's up with that hat? Boom! Are you guys ready for our trip? We are excited for our trip, guys. So here's Bo's. Bo got his, and we got our negative test back, guys. We are going on this cruise. We're so excited for this cruise, guys. Finally we're gonna get to go on this cruise. Say hello to my friends. Hi. Hi. So just wrapping up this video, guys. Thank you very much. You'll be in our next clip. You'll be seeing us in the car headed down to Long Beach, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye. What's going on, guys? We made it to the port. As you can see, we're walking down, bringing our bags in already. I don't know if they're gonna let us bring the bags in. We're just waiting to see if porters are available to take our bags. But this is the parking. There's Bo. We're a little early. We're about an hour and 15 minutes early. So I'm hoping that they'll allow us to get the bags and see what they say. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, guys, they took our bags. They took our bags. Hopefully it's the right porter and we just didn't give our shit away to somebody that we didn't know. Looks like they're bringing it. So I'm gonna we're taking a little walk down this little pier area, looks like, so you guys can see the ship. I know you guys are excited as much as we are excited to get on this cruise finally. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. All right. Let's go ahead and wow, oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Wow, it's empty out here. Oh man. All right, so there's another cruise ship that's out there too. I don't know what that one is. Oh, I think it's a princess cruise. All right, so we're taking a little walk. As you can see, I am not going to surprise you with the boat just yet. So we're going to do a little turn here in just a little bit. Without my face, of course. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, we're going to take a little turn here so you can see this beautiful, gorgeous ship that we are going to be on today for the next 7 days. This is the Carnival Panorama, guys. check this humongous ship out. There it is. We're gonna zoom right into the name here. Carnival Panorama. What do you guys think? It is humongous. This is the first look for us for the Carnival Panorama. Look at that signage up there. Whew. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. It's about 87 degrees right now. Around the 11:30 hour. So here it is. Look at this beautiful Long Beach area. And we are getting on this in just a little bit. We're gonna grab the rest of our stuff. And here it is. The dome where we go into. So all right, we'll see you guys in just a little bit. Alright guys, so we made it into the terminal. We just checked in, did our health screen, everything is clear. We're about to head through those double doors right over there. You're going to take a walk with us to the ship so you can see how exciting it is as we get on board on the Panorama. See you in a minute. Do you want to take it or no? Alright.
Thumbs up. Give her a hug, sir. Give her a hug. Hug, hug.
There it is, guys. There she is. The Carnival Panorama. You see her. Look how humongous. This is the biggest ship I've been on. I hear it's about 55% or 60% capacity, guys. That is awesome. Things are not going to be as busy as I thought it was going to be. There it is. Whew. Going up this ramp. Look how gorgeous the water is. The views are gorgeous today. Look at this water slide. Here she is. Hi there. Hello, hello. There it is. We're just following the herd. Following the herd, guys. Ooh, Liquid Lounge. Who's ready for Liquid Lounge? Here it is. Going to the casino.
Here we go. Welcome, welcome, both. Korean people.
Oh, there's our game, Buffalo Gold. Look at these huge. This is where AMB Variety TV is going to be at. All right, guys, we just got off work, so we are relaxing before our rooms get ready. It's a little bit after 12:30 now, and so we're hanging out here. Check out part 2, guys. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, thanks so much for coming aboard with us. We'll be checking out some of these decks here in a little bit as well, and of course doing some partying a little later. So check us out. We'll see you in a bit. Bye.